you know the chorus, please sing with us. Please sing, okay? I am just a poor boy, though my story's seldom told. I have squandered my resistance for a pocket full of mumbles, such are promises. All lies and jest, still a man hears what he wants to hear, disregards the rest. When I left my home and my family, I was no more than a boy in the company of strangers, a quiet railway station running scared, laying low, seeking out the poorer quarters where the ragged people go, looking for the places only they would know. Lie-la-lie, 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 lie-la-lie. Asking only workman's wages, I come looking for a job, but I get no offers. Just to come on from the whores on 7th Avenue. I do declare there were times when I was so lonesome, I took some comfort there. La 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 la. Now I'm laying out my winter clothes, wishing I was gone, going home, where the New York City winters are bleeding me, going home. In a clearing stands a boxer, and the fighter by his trade, and he carries the reminders of every glove that laid him down or cuffed him till he cried out in his anger and his shame, I am leaving, but the fighter still remains. La 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 la. Lie la lie, 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 lie la lie. Come on. La la lie, lie la lie, la la lie, lie la lie, lie la lie, lie la lie. Sean Mackey. There you go. It's Terry Caper on the saxophone.